Submissions.
We are back with the Yamaha 50 Raptor, and we are gonna exchange the tires and we're gonna put new ones in. Come look at the tires and see how worn out this is. We're gonna put new ones in, unbox some tires. We got tires in these boxes and we're gonna open it up. The new tires that we have is named Duro, and the Duro is 18, which is our new one, and the old one is 16 inches. Put on the new ones, but first we gotta take off the old ones. And take the lug nuts off with a 12mm socket. Put the four-wheeler on jacks and we're gonna pull the tires off. Got the old and new tires and we go in, drop them off, and they're gonna change it out. The bike is on jacks. We're gonna remove this right here and we're gonna change out the brake. Take off the drone. We're gonna take off the cotter pin. Got the collar pin out and it was being stubborn today. So we're gonna take off this and take off this nut with a 22mm socket. We're gonna take the washer off and the drum off. That was tough. That took a lot of time to do. It's the old brake shoe and we're gonna take it off. Here's the old brake shoes and here's the new brake shoes. Got the new brake pads on and we're gonna put the drum back on. But first we gotta pack the wheel bearings with grease. Slide the drum back on. We got the washer and the nut on. Tied up the nut now. It's time for the cotter pin. We got our cotter pin on right here. And all we just doing is just waiting for the tires now. All right, we got our new tires on. Here's our new tires. The ones we had before is 16 inches and the ones now we have is 18. We got 1 inch of lift. Thanks for watching. Bye.